Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install YouTube app on a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type YouTube and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the YouTube. Just go to the YouTube link. Okay, here is our YouTube link. Then just go to the here is the three dot at the top. Just go to the here just go to the more tools. Here we find create a shortcut. Just click on create a shortcut. Okay, here we find YouTube. Here click on the open as a window. Just select or check this, then just click on create. Now here is our YouTube. Okay, now close this. Now just go to the desktop. Here is our YouTube app. It can find on the start. Here is the YouTube, or you can find it from the app. Okay, now just double click on this shortcut and your YouTube is open in front of you. Okay, and if you want to uninstall it, that is very easy. Just click on these three dots. Okay, uninstall YouTube. Okay, now just select also clear data from Chrome and select this and click on the remove. Okay, I don't want to remove my data, so I just click on the remove. Okay, now just go to start and YouTube is removed from here also. So guys, this is the simplest way to install YouTube app on Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.